Hey guys, this week I created a Quizlet card deck so that you can study your Greek and Latin roots for your spelling and vocabulary words. I'm kind of excited about this. This is new, so bear with me. You should have a link in your Google Classroom under Language Arts to access this, and since you're already logged into your Google account, it should take you right into the program. Once you get into the program, you should see a screen that looks like this. And then the first thing that I would like you to do is click on Learn. Learn kind of acts like a pretest. So it's going to walk you through some questions to see what you already know. So having to do with communities just outside of a city. Metropolitan, suburban, artisan, and veteran. On this one, I know the answer is suburban, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Oh, look, it's correct. I get a smiley face. Here, this one's kind of silly because the answer is right in front of you. Electrician, someone who installs or fixes your electricity. That's an electrician. Here, a person who has served in the armed forces. I do know that that's a veteran, but I wanted to show you what it looks like if you get an answer wrong. So I'm going to click on artisan. It goes, oh, sorry, you need to study this one. And then down here it says press any key to continue, but we're actually going to go back so I can show you some other functions. Next, you have flashcards. The fun thing about this is that you can star terms that are not familiar to you. So here is my flashcard. It says having to do with the city and its surrounding communities. If I click on it, the term is metropolitan. I might know that I'm going to have a hard time spelling that or remembering the definition, so I'm going to click up here and star this so that I remember to go back and study that one. Then there's the write function, and I've practiced this a little bit, so some of these are already answered. So I'm going to start over, and it wants me to type the term that I see with this little dot here. Well, the term's right in front of me, so I sure hope I don't get it wrong. Human, and then I'm going to answer the question. Then it takes me to the next one. Not all of them are the same. Not all of them will have pictures. Then you're going to go to the spell function. It says type what you hear.
Artisan.
Artisan. That one was kind of hard for me to hear, but I should be able to figure it out based off of the definition. A person who is skilled at making something. And then you do have to click there so that line is yellow to type your answer. So artisan. Hit enter. Nope.
Metropolitan.
Metropolitan, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back to show you other functions. Then there's a test activity. You have to type some of the answers, and then you have to do multiple choice on some of the answers. So after you do that, you'll hit submit, and I'll just answer this one. This one looks like metropolitan to me. Check my answers. Oh no, I only got 10%, but that's because I only answered one question. And then the really fun stuff is down here, guys. We have match and gravity. Live isn't an option for us right now because Miss Walker hasn't figured out how to use it yet, and that's okay. I'll figure it out when we get more used to the other Quizlet activities. So first we have the matching activity. Yep, I'm going to start the game, and then I need to match it up. So I need to match each word to its definition. It's an electrician. Oh, to the dot. Here we go. Artisan. Human. You can zoom out on this diagram so you can see. And then equestrian. I'm going to play again, and then the game changes. And then I drag and drop here. So a technician is someone whose occupation involves training. Suburban was going to go here. Veteran. Human. Artisan is a person who makes things by hand. And equestrian is a horseback rider. And then it tells me how fast I went, and then I can play again. It's going to give me different terms, and I'm going to try to beat my score. So I'm going to go back. And then that gravity game, I'm going to click get started. I'm going to start with medium difficulty. If you're a slow typer, I would start with easy. And then here you have a choice between answering with the term or the definition or randomly. Always choose term because it's going to take you a while to type the definition. So I'm going to hit go. Watch out for the asteroids. A person who has served in the armed forces, veteran. Okay. A person who is a medical doctor. Physician. Okay. And that's kind of how that game works. And then the asteroids will start falling faster if you ask them to. I hope that you find this a little bit more enjoyable than our normal worksheets and definitions, drill and kill. Let me know what you think, and good luck.